Hey guys, so today we're going to be taking down the Christmas tree. I don't want to. It's so pretty. Cue the montage. We're also going to be decluttering my bin of Christmas stuff. I have lots of Christmas stuff. Like, I mean, it's all in one bin, but like, there's a lot, and I don't need it. So, we're going to go through that and then take the tree down.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring.
I think all I'm doing is making a mess currently. Look at this. Guys, how can I fix this? Like, oh.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Is so old. I think it was from my mama, and she's been gone for years.
In my heart. Christmas in my heart. White outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones,
This is all leaving. We don't need it.
our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love and with could stay forever. It's Christmas today.
It looks so weird now. Now my living room just looks empty. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
All snow is falling down, all the colored lights